Hey everybody, hope you people are enjoying my videos. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's start with one more pair of straight line question. This question is also very frequently asked in the exam. The question is we want to find the value of P and Q if the equation represents pair of perpendicular lines. Now the first thing is you should make sure that you compare the given equation with the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now comparing the equation star and equation double star, we just get some of the values. So what we get here is we get value of a as p, 2h is minus 8 will give me h as minus 4, we get b as 3, we get 2g as 14 gives me g as 7, 2f is 2 gives me f as 1, and value of c is q. What next? We just use the information that it is pair of perpendicular line. I say since lines are perpendicular, therefore we know that a plus b have to be equal to 0. So here value of a is given to me as p and value of b is given to me as 3. So we know that p plus 3 will be equal to 0, and this gives me value of p to be equal to minus 3. That's the first part of the problem. We got the value of p. We want to find the value of q also. Now to find the value of q, I'll be using the formula. Very easy formula, but everybody need to remember this very nicely. The formula is abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square equal to 0. What I want you to observe here is that a, b, c is in sequence, d and e is not there, but f, g, h is again in sequence. The next thing you need to observe is first is paired. So this is af square, bg square, and ch square. This is how easy the formulas are in this chapter. What you need to do is now you just need to substitute the value of abc, fgh, af square, bg square, ch square, substitute the value of this thing and get the missing value q. Let's do this. Value of a is p, but we know that value of p is equal to minus 3. Value of b here is 3 and value of c here is equal to q. Right, so we just substitute the value of c equal to q. We just substitute all those values plus 2fgh, value of f we have found to be equal to 1, value of g we have found to be equal to 7, value of h is minus 4, minus af square, that means minus 3 into 1 square. Next thing is we have bg square, so minus value of b is nothing but 3, g is we have found g ka value as 7 square, minus ch square, minus c ka value is q, h is minus 4 square, everything equal to 0. So if I just simplify this, I just want you to observe that if we simplify this, what we get here is this will be minus 9q minus 7 4s are 28 into 2 we get 56, minus we get here plus 3 we get 49 into 3, which is nothing but minus 147, 16 into q we get minus 16q equal to 0. Now we just club minus 9q and minus 16q, this will give me minus 25q. We just simplify the rest of the part. minus 56 plus 3 is minus 53, and minus 147 will give me minus 200. This is equal to 0. So what we get here is we get minus 25q equal to 200, and this gives me value of q to be 200 divided by minus 25. We get minus 8. So we got both the values. We got value of p was minus 3 and value of q is minus 8. Very simple question, but formula oriented. You should remember the formula. For you, I write formula one more time. The formula which we use here is, one thing which we have used here is perpendicular lines means a plus b equal to 0. The question could have been parallel lines also. अगर parallel line वाला question होता तो I would have written h square minus ab equal to 0. The second part is pair of line. If given equation is pair of straight line not passing through origin, then it always follows ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square equal to 0. Observe A is paired with F, first, second, third, how it is paired. Observe this sign is plus and the remaining signs are minus, and this is